November 9, 1989 marks the fall of a concrete wall, one that not only divided land but also separated families, friends, and communities. This was the Berlin Wall in Germany. Its origin goes back to World War II. When Germany surrendered, the Allies didn't trust each other to control the country alone, so it was split into zones, marking the beginning of the Cold War. The communist Soviet Union ruled the East, while the United States, Britain, and France ruled the West. A temporary split after the war soon turned into the Cold War. In 1961, the East German government built the Berlin Wall overnight to stop people from fleeing to the West. It stood 3.6 meters high and stretched over 150 kilometers. Neighbors couldn't visit either side, parents were separated from their children, workers lost jobs just across the street. This went on until the late 1980s when people across Eastern Europe began demanding unity, freedom, and reform. And on November 9, 1989, their voices broke through. The Berlin Wall fell. People rushed across, hugged, cried, and tore the wall down, piece by piece. Its fall marked Germany's reunification and the symbolic end of the Cold War. A barrier once guarded by soldiers is now guarded by museum alarms. Where do you think those pieces are kept today? Let us know in the comments below. For more such interesting content, follow us on our digital handle.